In a triangle BAC, BD is the altitude on AC which meets AC in D such that D dash A dash C. Given AB is equal to 8, BC equals to 10, and C equals to 30 degrees, find the lengths of AD, DC, and BD. Okay, I would just request you all to try it out, and you can just resume the video to look at the solution. All right, guys. So BAC is a right angle triangle दिया है. BD is the altitude on AC which meets AC in D, right? ये अपना triangle होगा? बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. Okay. Now majority of the people get this wrong because they don't understand the significance of this information. D dash A dash C, guys. D dash A dash C का simple मतलब है that A is between D and C. Okay. So if you look at this diagram, guys, in this diagram, D is between A and C, right? So this is not the correct diagram which we are actually referring. The correct and the absolutely correct diagram should be this. Okay. So basically it is a hint that BAC is an obtuse angle triangle because the altitude BD lies outside the triangle here. Okay. So we have the diagram correctly now put in place. Angle BCD is given as 30, or angle C is given as 30 degrees, and the values, other values have been given. AB is given as 8 and BC is given as 10. So now we apply the trigonometric ratios. We apply sine 30 first. Sine 30 will be what, guys? BD divided by BC. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ से BD का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. BD will be equal to 5 units because BC is 10, right? Same way we apply cos 30 now. Cos 30 से हमें CD का वैल्यू और DC का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. Okay, so in this case, √3/2, which is cos 30, is equal to CD divided by BC. BC is 10, so CD value is 5√3. Okay, we go on to the next part. The next part is finding out the length of AD here, I guess. Yeah, for finding out the length of AD, we use Pythagoras theorem, guys. Okay, for triangle ABD now. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is AB square minus BD square. That's how you find the value of AD here, square root of 39. 8 square minus 5 square. See, it's that simple. Okay, the next question, the number of real roots of the equation 2 cos x into x plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x is. Okay, again, you can just try it out. All right, guys. So how do we deal with this? We use a more logical approach. See, it is very difficult to plot the actual values and check and then find out the point of intersection. Okay. The best thing you can do here is you can take two graphs here. Okay. First graph is y is equal to 2 cos x into x plus 1. Okay. This is the first equation we have on the left hand side. Okay. And on the right hand side, guys, we have y is equal to 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x. Okay, we study these two graphs independently. Guys, we saw that for cos theta, the range was -1 to +1, right? So this value of y, 2 into cos of x into x plus 1, इसके अंदर ये कुछ भी हो, ultimately cos का आंसर कहां से कहां तक लाई करेगा? -1 से 1 के बीच लाई करेगा. So the y value here, guys, will oscillate between -2 to +2, right? Okay. If you observe, guys, this 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x, okay, is of the form a plus 1 upon a, right? We saw this, guys, in the earlier classes when we study algebra. For a plus 1 upon a, and a is positive, clearly 2 raised to x to positive ही होगा, even 2 raised to minus x is positive. So for a being positive, okay, a plus 1 upon x की minimum value होती है 2. उससे ज़्यादा ही होता है उसका value, right? So on the left hand side, we have a graph which oscillates between -2 to 2, right? And on the right hand side we have only 2 as a minimum value. 2 से बढ़कर ही होगा value. So wherever these graphs will intersect, okay, the y value should be equal to 2, right? Okay, you can observe here, अगर आपने यहाँ पे x equal to 0 put किया, that's the only one value where this graph is becoming equal to 2. Or you can check by putting it here also, x equal to 0 put kiya, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into cos 0 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. So x equal to 0 is the only one root where the two graphs will be equal. So it is the only real root to the equation that we have given us.